Manually changing promotional prices can take forever. Luckily, CronySoft makes it simple with temporary price reduction imports. Let me show you how it works. Starting from the home screen, go to the Smart Search and quickly access Temporary Price Reduction module. You can simply type in TPR. Once accessed, the first step is selecting the correct TPR format provided by your vendor or distributor. CronySoft supports multiple vendor formats. Most TPR files are provided by grocery suppliers, so several grocery supply templates are already available in the system. You can choose from there. For this example, we'll use the Grocery 101 CSPHQ 101 regular template. Next, upload the temporary price reduction file received from your vendor. Simply browse to the file location and select the correct TPR file. Once the file has been selected, click Save to process the import. CronySoft automatically reads the file and displays all matching items including UPCs, item description, current pricing, and the new promotional prices. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to apply the new retail pricing directly from the back office. You can also choose to confirm without updating the new pricing. From there, the system will automatically update the item retail prices based on the imported TPR file, saving time and reducing manual pricing errors. With CronySoft's TPR import tools, updating promotional pricing becomes fast, accurate, and fully automated. And that's how easy it is to process temporary price reduction files. So that's all for the temporary price reduction module. Once again, do make sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you can stay updated with our upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in our next module.